Namaste students. In this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 4.2 first problem in that first subdivision sum. So in the first problem, what you have to do? Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. We have to find the roots. Roots means what? The value of x or value of the variable by factorization method. In the previous video, I explained deeply about how to factorize a polynomial. For this also I'm going to follow the same method. Okay, so x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. In the introduction video, I said that how we can predict our roots by using the discriminant. So first we have to compare the given equation, quadratic equation, with general form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You have to compare with this and you have to write what is the value of a. Instead of a, what I am having here? 1. So 1. B is equal to minus 3. Write with a negative sign. Next, instead of c, you have minus 10. Discriminant formula. What is the discriminant formula? Discriminant b is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is discriminant formula. By using this, we can predict how the roots will be. Already I said in the introduction part. So what is the value of b? Minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 10. So minus 3 the whole square, then you will get 9. 3 3s are 9. Minus into plus, minus into minus plus. 4 10s are 40. Then 49. The value is greater than 0. That is, the discriminant value is greater than 0. If you are getting greater than 0 means, then the roots will be real and distinct. Two roots are real and distinct. You will get two factors, two value for x. No, that two value will be real and distinct. Okay. How to, now we have to find the value of x. So we found that the roots will be real and distinct. Real and distinct means we will get two different real values. So first write the, shall we check whether we are getting the two real values? Real and distinct values? Yes. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. We have to factorize this one. How we have to factorize this one? First, we have to multiply the first and the last term. 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. And then crocodile mouth. Then minus 3 here. If we have negative sign here, we will have a two option. One must be positive and one must be negative, or one must be negative, or one must be positive. And by using this we can choose which one we have to choose from these twos. Okay, so negative, here we have negative. If we have negative here means we have to choose this one, minus and plus, minus and plus. So by which number we have to multiply to get 10? 5, 2, 5, 2. We don't have any number here, that is, we don't have any coefficient with x square term. So straight away you can write the answer, that the answer is x minus 5 and x plus 2. So the factors are x minus 5 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of x, no? For that, x minus 5 is equal to 0, comma, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. We found the two value, x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. That is the two distinct roots, real and distinct roots. Therefore, 5 and minus 2 are two real and distinct roots. Okay, therefore 5 and minus 2 are the two real and distinct roots. So we can check that now with the discriminant value. So we got real and distinct roots. This is second subdivision sum in the first problem. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. First, you have to find the discriminant d value. If it is greater than 0 means you will get two distinct real values. If it is equal to 0 means you will get two equal real values. If it is less than 0 means imaginary values. Okay, so first we have to find the discriminant. Okay, for that we have to find the value of a. The value of a is 2 and the value of b is 1 and the value of c is minus 6. Next, you have to find discriminant. Discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. So instead of b, you have to substitute 1. 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 6. Then 1 square is 1. Minus into minus plus. 4 2s are 8 and 8 6 are 48. So you got 49. The value of d is greater than 0, that is positive value. Then you will get two real and distinct, or distinct and real roots. You are going to get two different real roots you are going to get. Okay, shall we check whether we are getting two distinct real roots? Yes. So for that, first write the question. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So to factorize this one, to find the value of x, we have to multiply 2 and minus 6. So 2 and minus 6 is minus 12 plus 1. Okay. Then here you have negative sign, so one must be positive and one must be negative. And or one must be negative or one must be positive. Here I have positive value, so we have to choose this one. Positive, negative. Okay. Then 12. How you will get 12? 4 3s are 12. So shall we check whether we are getting plus 1? Bigger number sign is positive and both the signs are different, so you have to subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Then what you have to do? See whether you have any number with the x squared term. Yes, we have a number. What number we have? 2 divided by 2. If we can cancel means we have to cancel it. So both the numbers are cancelled by 2. So plus 2 divided by 1. We can cancel this one. So write as it is. Now tell me the answer. What variable we have here? X. So x plus 2. 2x minus 3. X plus 2 and 2x minus 3. So we factorized the quadratic equation. The value is 2x plus 2 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. How we have to find it? We have to separate. X plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So we got two different real roots, two distinct real roots. Therefore, minus 2 and 3 by 2, minus 2 and 3 by 2 are two distinct and real roots. Clear all of you? Next, third subdivision sum in the first problem. First, what you have to do? You have to write the value of A. The value of A is root 2 and the value of B is 7 and the value of C is 5 root 2. First, you have to write the values. Okay. Then you have to write the discriminant formula. Discriminant D is equal to B square minus 4AC. The value of B is 7. So 7 square minus 4 into the value of A is root 2 into 5 root 2. So 7 square is 49 minus 5 fours are 20. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 49 minus 40. Then you got 9. So this is a positive value. Discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, you will get two distinct and real roots. Shall we check whether we are getting two distinct and real roots? Okay. We have root in the question. So how we are going to factorize? Yes, this one also we can factorize easily. So listen carefully. What is the first step? Same steps only you are going to follow. Root 2 into 5 into root 2. Root 2 into 5 into root 2. So 5, root 2 into root 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10. So I'm going to write 10 here and 7 here. We have a positive value, so we will have a two option. One must be positive and positive, and another must be negative and negative. Since we have a positive sign here, so we have to choose this one. So positive, positive. 5 2s are 10. Shall we check whether we are getting plus 7? Both are positive, and 5 plus 2 is 7. Straight away we can write the answer x plus 5 and x plus 2. No, we can't write it because we have root 2 here. We have root 2. So, we have to divide by root 2 and root 2. This one you can cancel. No, we can't cancel it. So, you have to write as it is 5 by root 2. Okay. Then you can cancel this one. Yes, we can cancel this one. But how we can cancel this one? Can you guess? Or otherwise, if you have a doubt, means write straight away that 2 root 2 here. Then we will solve in the x value. Okay. 2 root 2. Write as it is. If you can't cancel it, you feel very difficult, means keep it as it is. Okay. Then, now you can write the factors. No? What is the factors? Root 2 x plus 5 and root 2 x plus 2. We got the two factors. Okay. So, then root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0 and root 2 x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then, root 2x is equal to minus 5 and root 2x is equal to minus 2. Okay. Then x is equal to minus 5 by root 2 and x is equal to minus 2 by root 2. You can cancel this one by how? By how means root 2, we can write this 2 as 2 into 2, root 2 into root 2. Okay, like this we can write, and we can cancel the root 2 and root 2. So, x is equal to minus root 2. We can cancel like this also. Clear? So, we got the two distinct and real roots. One is minus 5 by root 2 and another one is minus root 2. So, therefore, minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2 are two distinct and real roots. Are you all clear? This is fourth subdivision sum. In the first problem, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. We have 1 by 8 is equal to 0. So, we have to simplify this quadratic equation first. How we have to simplify this one? You have to take a LCM 8. Okay. So, 8 2s are 16. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. We get multiply 8 and 0, then you will get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, this is the quadratic equation. Now, you can compare this in the form, general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, what is the value of a? A is equal to 16, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 1. The value of a is 16 and the value of b is minus 8 and the value of c is 1. Then we have to find the discriminant. So the discriminant D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Then B square is minus 8 the whole square minus 4 into 16 into 1. 64 minus 4 into 16 is 6 4s are 24. 2 carry over. Then 64. So 64 minus 64, what you will get? 0. So you got the value of D discriminant is 0. If you are getting 0, you will get 2 equal real roots. 2 equal real roots. Definitely you will get a equal real roots. Shall we check whether we are getting a equal roots? Okay. Now write the question. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now you have to find the factor. 16 into 1 is 16 and minus 8 and minus 8. Then you have positive here. So you have two options. One must be positive and positive and one must be negative and negative. If you have negative sign, you have to choose this one. Minus, minus. So 16. How you will get 16? 4. 4s are 16. And shall we check whether we are getting minus 8? Okay. Bigger number sign is minus. Both the signs are same. So you have to add. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Then check whether you have any number with the x square term. Yes, we have. So divided by 16. Divided by 16. You can cancel this one, no? How many times we can cancel? In 4 table itself, we can cancel it. So the remaining is 4 ones are 4. 4 4s are 16. So minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. Now tell me the factor. 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. Same factors. So therefore, for the given quadratic equation, 16x square minus 8x plus 1, you got 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 as a factor. Now you have to find the value of x. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 1, 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. Yes, we got two equal real roots. Yes, it's correct. Therefore, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 are two equal real roots. We got a discriminant D is equal to 0. So we got two equal real roots. Yes, we got two equal real roots, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. I hope you all understand how we have to find the value of x. Thank you.